how to farm blue chests in TBH Taskbar Hero. You get blue chests from bosses. If you go to the taskbar wiki, then you will see stage boxes. We're just going to click on stage boxes, and here you will see all of the different stage boxes from different bosses. So how can you farm these? You farm these by beating different levels, and what's going to help you with the drop rate for this is going to be if you go into runes here, and you will see increased chest drops. So this is going to be the common chest drop, which is not going to be the blue one, but here you will see increased stage boss chest drop chance multiplier. So basically you can open up here multiple chests by right clicking, but basically if you level this up, it is going to have different levels. Currently mine is going to be 3 out of 3, but even if you level it once, it's going to increase the chance, and then it's going to open up another talent here which you can level up, but you want to level it fully here. So increase stage boss chest, again you will increase stage boss chest drop chance, and again here everything you see with stage boss chest, that is going to be the blue chest for you. So you want to level up whatever you can and then just leave it to play for you, and occasionally it is gonna drop a chest here, and you can check the rates using the wiki. So here drop chance 20% for A to 8 and others. So I hope this answers your question. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.